We've seen a incredibly strong rally year to date. I think the MSCI World Index is up about a bit over 17%. And those 7 stocks that you referenced, Martin, have accounted for, I think it's around 45% of the total return. So, and collectively, those names represent around 18% of the benchmark. So we feel that probably the most concerning thing is that almost all of that performance has been driven by multiple expansion. So those 7 names at the end of last year, they were trading on an average PE of around 22 times. That's now 38 times. So really the earnings growth you'd expect to see hasn't really backed up the incredible performance. And so we feel that there will come a time when you start to see some retracement in those names. I guess the next question is, what's the catalyst? There's obviously a Nasdaq reshuffling coming up. That could be one catalyst that'll bring these stocks back to earth somewhat.
All right, what you're talking about, Ned, of course, is Triple Q, QQQ, the reweighting, which happens, I think, on July the 24th, right, just ahead of maybe ironically the Fed, right? It's going to bring down the weighting of pretty much all of these names. And you're saying that you prefer to lighten up ahead of that happening.
That's exactly right, because I'm just not sure who the marginal buy is of those names at these levels. Great companies, they've done a great job, but again, the earnings growth in many cases has been flattening off. So I think, from our perspective, we can see a scenario where those names will pull back somewhat, and obviously this earnings result that we're seeing now, we're seeing a bit more. I guess the outlook statements from many of the companies is not quite as optimistic as the market would hope. So there is some short-term downside risk, and we just want to make sure that we get ahead of that by lightening up our positions.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.